Hello insiders, my name is Alina. I'm a product manager working on creator tools, specifically BrandConnect, formerly FameBit. Today I'm here to talk to you about an exciting launch called Media Kit that will provide more tools to plan your branded content campaigns. But first, let's do a quick recap of what YouTube BrandConnect is for those of you who might not be familiar. YouTube BrandConnect is a service that connects creators and brands for branded content campaigns. We have a team that provides full service for campaign management in the US, UK, and Canada. And check out links in the description to learn more about the service and eligibility criteria. We've been also thinking about how to provide more tools for all of the creators to manage their branded content campaigns, and that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. In the past few years, we've seen tremendous growth in brand-sponsored content, and we've been investing in tools and features to enable better experience and more transparent ecosystem for creators, brands, and viewers. So today I'm here to introduce you to a new bundle of features that we're beginning to roll out to creators in a YouTube Partner Program, which is called Media Kit. With this launch, creators will receive new audience planning tools to help effectively pitch themselves to brands and other partnerships by creating a shareable summary that gives advertisers deeper insights into a creator's audience. Go to your monetization tab and click the BrandConnect link. The dashboard will become available as soon as you sign up and accept terms and conditions. The Media Kit link will be available in your BrandConnect dashboard. Let's walk through it. When you open your Media Kit, you will find your channel data: banner, bio, key stats, and demographics from YouTube Analytics. We collected this data in one place so that you don't have to compile it by yourself anymore. By the way, your bio is customizable and doesn't affect your public bio on the channel page. On the right, you will see paid product placement campaign videos if you marked any of your videos previously, and featured videos that you can customize to showcase the best of your work. Contact information and social media handles, as well as when the report was generated, are displayed in the footer so that brands can connect with you. The Media Kit will also provide audience information that wasn't shown in the YouTube Studio before. Audience and shopping interests are collected from your viewers' activity on YouTube in an aggregated way. Audience segments are made up of groups of people with specific interests and intents as estimated by Google. This unique data is so helpful to advertisers because it ensures they are reaching the right audiences by working with you. Interest level shows the strengths of an audience interest in comparison with viewers across YouTube, and audience share shows the popularity of the topic and how big the share of that audience is in the channel. Cards can be edited to help creators highlight aspects of their channel likely to appeal to various brands. Just click the three-dot menu at the top of the card and select the most relevant categories for your pitch. Creators will also have the ability to download Media Kit reports via PDF to easily share with brands. Soon it will be possible to add and remove cards as well. We're rolling out Media Kit slowly, starting to select eligible creators in the US and on desktop only. We will continue to roll out this feature to creators outside of the US as we expand. And we're planning on adding more features to Media Kit, but wanted to give insiders a sneak peek first. So leave your feedback in the comments below and keep it real.